In today's video, I will tell you how to redeem codes in Ideal Heroes and claim free rewards instantly. First of all, we need to know why codes matter, as redeem codes give you free gems, scrolls and other valuable items, so you definitely do not want to miss them. First step is to open the game. Launch Ideal Heroes and go to the main screen. Second step is to go to Cool Events, tap on the Cool Events tab, and this is where the redeem option is located. The third step is to find Exchange Gifts. Inside the Events menu, look for Exchange Gifts or a similar option. Step 4, you can enter the code. Type in your redeem code carefully and make sure that there are no mistakes, otherwise the code will be wrong and you will not get the rewards. The fifth step is to claim the rewards. Tap confirm and your rewards will be sent directly to your in-game mailbox. Where to find the codes? You can find codes on official social media, live streams or community posts, so you need to be updated. A pro tip is that the codes expire quickly, so you need to redeem them as soon as possible. The codes contain useful rewards that can help you progress in the game faster and make your heroes more stronger, so you can use them in battle in order to gain more wins. And that's how you redeem codes in Ideal Heroes. Follow for more Ideal Heroes tips and guides.